Okay, in this video I want to show you guys how to put in a soil sampling work order. First, you have to know the grower, farm, and field information as it's entered. So in this case it'd be Test Schwartz, Schwartz Farm, and Bunkers. Once you know that information, then go to the work order tab up at the top here. You'll let it load in, and then this might look a little bit different than what you're used to if you've used this in the past. It got a redesign recently, but most of everything essential is still there. What you need to do is you go up here and click add work order, and then you change the type to soil sampling, pick the location, and pick the grower, and then add. You don't need to add a PO or anything like that. Then it'll bring up all the different farms and fields. So it's the Schwartz farm. If you select one, it'll do all of them. Don't do that, just do one at a time. But then the Bunkers farm is what I'm after. Then you don't need anything in this directed files tab. The lab is always Frontier Labs. The package, you can pick your package right here. If you want a basic, or if you want say a 23 or a 15, they're right there. And you don't need a secondary package or a depth, it's all going to be 6 inches. Start date, just pick, if it's going to be spring, you can pick a date, and then if you don't want it to wait until fall, you can stop there. Sampling method, you want to do 2.5 or 4 4s or 10s or whatever you're trying to do. I'll just leave it as 2.5 for now, and no on the collect GPS boundary. Field status, if it's ready, leave it as ready, otherwise will call. And previous crop, this is just for what to look at in the field. If it's spring and there's going to be corn standing in it, leave it as corn. If it's fall and there's corn stalks out there, leave it as corn stalks. It's just what to look for as far as where they're at. And then if this is a repoll, if it is a repoll, hit yes, and also change this up here to retest. Okay, this is where you would go in your notes section and type anything you need to type. So there's your note, and then that is basically it. Hit save and you are done. And the procedure for marking fields is ready now. Once it's ready, you'll have to locate that field that you just added. So this one is in the Ringstead location for Test Schwartz. Where did it go here? Right there. And once it's actually ready to be pulled, then we'll go down here to update status and change it to, so they're going to change it from entered to accepted, and then we're going to change it from accepted to assigned, and then they'll change it back from assigned to in progress, and then we'll update it as it is completed. So once you mark this as assigned, the job status is assigned, then the field will be ready to go get pulled. And that is it.